Hello guys, so in this video we're going to learn the most useful vocabulary that so you have snow and soccer. Okay, so don't confuse those words. So when you say soccer and football, okay, so we just have soccer and then we have football. Okay, so don't forget guys, and then just like the video to make your comment and then to share the video. Okay, so we just have only 15 vocabulary that so we're going to learn together. Okay, so hope you stay at the end. Okay, so the first one is we have four words or strikers. The second one is crowd. Again, crowd. And then the number three we have defenders. Again, defenders. And then the number four we have midfielders. Okay, midfielders. Number five we have goalkeeper. Again, goalkeeper. Number six, penalty. Again, penalty. Number seven, referee. Again, referee. Number eight, substitute. Okay, substitute. Number nine, we have field and US, and then you can say pitch and British. Okay, field and US or USA, and then we have pitch and British. And then number 10, manager. Manager. Good job, great. And the number 11, linesman. Okay, linesman. Great job. Okay, number 12, we have corner. Corner. Great. Number 13, boots. Boots. Okay. And then number 14, cord. Cord. Okay, and cord, it could be a yellow cord or a red cord. Okay, it could be a yellow cord or red cord. And the last word is foul. 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 Okay guys, and then so hope you like the video. So don't forget again, and then to just like it, and then don't forget to make your practice guys, and then so be blessed guys.